Hello.
Hello, chat.
You guys like that thumbnail for the stream? It's kind of funny.
Hey, welcome back, Cyber Cake Place.
The quote on the apple's perfect. Oh, by the way, thank you to a new member, Stealthify, for becoming botnet leader, Pog, as well as Patrick Hennessy, Bizda, Sports Biznet, Austin Brains, Boy of Wrath YT, Jessel D King, and Crazy Kid. Thank you all for being botnet general or leader. Want a special thank you at the start of every stream. You can become a member. Oh, my throat needed a little bit of but yes, you should click the link in the description or the button right next to the sub button if you have that. Can you show the IP for the server where you code your own items? No, because it's a local server. I don't have a public server for Uber items. Maybe I should do that. That'd be cool. Maybe. We'll see. Do another Secret Santa in Skyblock. It's July. It's literally, I mean, Christmas in July, I guess. We could do that in 4 days, but that'd be a little odd, right? I don't know. It'd be kind of strange. Sick virus? No, I'm not sick. My nose is just bad. It always is. Maybe a public server for Uber items wouldn't be the worst idea. The problem is, in order for people to upload their own items, they'd have to like submit it to somebody. Maybe there'd be like some database implementation. I don't friggin' know. Hey guys, I'm back for another stream and welcome to Vanilla Minecraft. We're doing something different today. We're streaming the process of coding again. Oh boy. And today I have a specific goal in mind, and it's to make a bunch of items for a few video projects. You might know that Skyblock has been more and more difficult to make videos for, so today we're going to be coding some items for use in other content. So this is the thumbnail item. The Titan apple. Look at what they need to mimic a fraction of our power. It's definitely, it's not even a functional Uber item. It's just made for the thumbnail. Like in the code, it's literally called thumbnail item. If I eat it, it goes away and it's just a normal gapple. But anyways, today we're gonna be making some cool stuff, custom ender pearls, custom gapples. We'll make some other stuff too. Now I should probably specify this stream is not going to be used as a highlight to make a video, so we're just kind of chilling. We're just doing our thing. Oh, this is a weird thing. On this server, for some reason, auto jumps on. The most toxic setting of all. Why is that default? Anyways, look at this. It's a bugged out block. I could something's wrong with the server. I don't know why that. There we go. Anyways, best clickbait ever. So yeah, we're using Uber items today. For those of you that don't know what it is, it's a plugin made by ThirtyVirus. Uber items is a versatile custom plugin API allowing for quick and easy advanced item functionality on Minecraft Spigot servers. So anyway, I like how it plays the outro song within 5 minutes of starting. Stealthily, thank you for the 5. Thorty, it's stealthily, not stealthify. Oh. Stealthily, my mistake. As well as Juan Cool Gamer, thank you for the 2. Hi, how's it going? It is going okay. I am functioning on 3 hours of sleep right now. So, for those of you that are wondering how I'm going to make custom items like the one you just saw, well, Uber Items is a framework, like I said, and I'm coding a custom add-on, which I am then going to load, and it will load into this menu as soon as I reload the plugin. So that's how I made this Titan apple. So if I were to switch to monitor capture here, you'll be like, whoa, there's stuff behind Minecraft. There's code. So if you're curious what the Titan apple looks like, it's literally just called thumbnail. And it's only a few lines of code long. So to start, I know the thumbnail is a gapple, but there's one little point of confusion as to how it would work. So I think we're gonna start by making a custom like ender pearl or something. I don't know. So the way you add Uber items in this add-on, I already did a tutorial on how to do this, so I'm not going to really describe it that much, but we can add our own item here, make a custom class for it, and then code the specific behavior in there. So as an example, Uber items.put item. What are we going to name it? What's a cool kind of ender pearl concept, chat? What's something neat? Maybe like, what would be something cool that an ender pearl can do? Yeah, we're using IntelliJ today. What's a special property we can give an ender pearl instead of just teleporting the player? What else can we do? Infinipearl? That's an easy one. Okay. Infinipearl. Spirit leap. Warp pearl. Sling pearl. Multi pearl. Oh, I just spilled water. Nope. Hold on. That wasn't supposed to happen. Well, it's not water, it's tea. No. Okay, we're good. It wasn't that bad a spill. I just bumped it. Why do I always have drinks right in front of me? That's always the worst idea. Keep it all the way to the side of the desk, not right in front of you, you freaking idiot. I never learned. All right. Anyways, we're good. Infinipearl. Yes. So it's gonna be an infinite ender pearl that doesn't damage you, because pearls damaging you is annoying. New, and then we need an actual class for it. It's a new Java class, Infinipearl. New class, and then what we could do is take the empty item class here, copy, paste into Infinipearl. Infinipearl. Copy. Yeah, there we go. So now, there, we don't need the example one. So then what we can do is new Infinipearl. And then we're going to give it a material. Material.enderpearl. And then the name that the player sees is going to be Infinipearl. And then Uber rarity dot legendary, because that's a pretty powerful item. Oh, Super Dop, thank you for the NOK 50. Just realized that all your rant videos don't have a lot of likes. Everyone make sure to go on those vids and come back here when you're done. Hey, if you want to. I mean, typically the rants actually do get a pretty good amount of likes, because like they're more based than normal. So, well, I mean, maybe be more inclined to have people give reactions. Stackable false, one-time use false, has active effect false. Collections dot singleton list, we're only gonna have one ability. New Uber ability, efficient warping. I don't know what we should call it. Efficient warp. I don't know what we should call the ability. Just efficient warp for now. It's not the best of name. Ability type dot none, since you, well, it's technically a right click ability actually. Description Throw. Throw an ender pearl that doesn't run out and you don't take damage on impact. There we go. So singleton list, there it is. So then I guess put another thing there. Then we need a crafting recipe. So new Uber crafting recipe, raise.as list. And then I'm just gonna copy this. And then we can get rid of all of that at the bottom there. There we go. So the crafting recipe, let's set all air for now, and then we can figure out what the crafting recipe is going to be. I think it's going to have something to do with Eyes of Ender, maybe. Don't I have enchanted Eyes of Ender as one of the Uber materials? Let me check. I do not. I have enchanted Ender Pearls. We can use those. Infiniwarp, one word, do you think, chat? We could do that. Well, Infinipearl, or maybe the yeah, Infiniwarp. That'll do. That'll do as a ability. So I guess we can set the recipe to be like, I don't know. Let's do enchanted ender pearl times 16 in 4 spots in the crafting grid. So we'll have those and then this, and then in the middle we could put what's an item that can go in the middle of the Infinipearl crafting recipe? Enchanted diamond wouldn't really make a lot of sense, would it? Maybe it doesn't have to be an Uber item. It could just be like some vanilla item. What do you think, chat? What can go in the middle of the crafting recipe? We're in 117, by the way. Enchanted Eye of Ender in the middle. Enchanted Endstone. Nether Star. Now that makes sense. Let's do a Nether Star. Are they called Nether Stars? Nether Star, yes. All right, there we go. Infinipearl is now a thing. Should we make the legendary rarity? Yeah. All right, actually, let's make it epic, just so it doesn't, because a lot of legendary items already exist. Shapeless, false, craft amount 1. Yeah, that sounds about right. So let's plugman reload. Uber items add on. There it is, Infinipearl. Look at that. Nice. So then if we click on it, there's the recipe. 16 enchanted pearls per slot. Nether star. Not bad, not bad. I can actually click this into the inventory. Now it works in creative mode, but that's just because all pearls act like that in creative mode. I think what would happen is it cancels the right click if you... Oh no, it just used it. Okay. Yeah, that wasn't supposed to happen, but that makes sense because we didn't code any of the behavior yet. So now what we do, now that we have the Infinipearl, what we need to do is go into the class we made for it. And we need to do a right click air action. So let's do this. Gonna go here. Probably gonna want a cooldown on this, but whatever. For now, we don't really need to worry about that. Right click block action should invoke left click air, or right click air action. Right click air action, player item. And then, so if you right click on a block, you can still chuck it. Missing return statement. Oh, return true. No. Oh no, it return whatever. Yes. It's been a while since I've coded, so if I do something stupid, don't worry about it. Superdop, thank you for the NRK20. Could you make the Infinipearl an Eye of Ender? I could do that. Okay, why not? Eye of Ender. Or is it just Ender Eye? Ender Eye. And then I guess to further distinguish it, what we could do is we could give it, so on item stack create, we could do utilities dot enchant, add enchant glint item. So it's going to make the item enchanted. It'll look like an Eye of Ender. On right click, we're going to at least event dot set. Oh, there's no event. What? Wait a minute. Why is there no event? Did I do it dumb? Are you making a game? No, we're making custom items in Minecraft. Bad at programming. Hey, I'm live streaming while coding. Give me a break. Why is there no event? Right click block action, right click air action. You'd think that... Am I just dumb? Why would I have no event call for this? Maybe the event... That's very strange. I don't know why that happens. It's been so long since I've done this. Example Uber item. Yeah, that's weird. It doesn't cancel the event when I throw the pearl for some reason. Yeah, I guess I just didn't code it that way. So the right click, okay, so that's interesting. Pearls invoke a different event, so we might have to do something custom for this. So what we need to do then is make another package. We're gonna call it events, and then, oh, that's not supposed to go there. They'll go there. Refactor. And then we do events, and then I guess we're gonna call it throw. This does not qualify as a class name. Player underscore throw. There we go. Wait, you can code? Yeah, it uses a throw event. So at event handler. There you go. And then we do public, or actually it can be private. Private void on player throw. Player throw events. Throw event. Throwables event. I don't know if that's what we want. Probably not. Player egg throw event probably would make sense. Because it says egg, but that's just because that was the first item to be thrown in the game. It could very well encompass pearls as well. It's not an item, so don't use snake. Wait, then don't use snake case for the class name. Okay, so should I... What should I do then? Make it capital? Player throw? Because I got criticized for doing, like, if I were to refactor it to player throw like this, then people are like, ew, you're inconsistent. I don't know, we'll just do that, I guess. Whatever. It just doesn't look right that way, though. I think maybe it's lowercase. I don't remember. Very pog coding virus. Like I said, this is for entertainment purposes only. Don't use me as a tutorial for coding. Event.get. Yeah, it's only eggs though. Why? Where's the pearl? Is there a pearl throw event? Oh boy. Event. Nope. Throw. Pearl. Yeah, there's no ender pearl throw event. Very strange. It's interact event. Is it interact event? Player interact event. Event. Okay. If event dot get type, no, get action equals action dot, nope. Uber items free for channel members when? I did not know. You are so inconsistent. What? I mean, there is this, so I guess technically that would be consistent with that. I think it's fine to use snake case for items in this case, otherwise Pascal case. Okay, so I did it right. Projectile launch event. Oh god, projectile. There we go. That makes the most sense. Projectile launch event. Yeah. If event dot get get entity is equal to entity dot ender. Nope. Get entity type is equal to entity type dot ender pearl. There we go. That works. So, well, first of all, we need to change this to be, if it's not ender pearl, return. Oh, what? Oh. Not equal to ender pearl, return. Okay. If event.get item, event dot get player. We need to get the item from the event so we can test if it's an Uber item. Get entity dot get item. Get shooter. There we go. Dot. If event dot get entity get shooter is equal to entity type dot player, and then of course if not, return. Nope. Projectile source dot player. Oh, why did I pick pearls? They're weird. No. Oh god. Why would a non-player throw an ender pearl? I don't freaking know. Oh jeez, man. I thought it was gonna be as simple as when you right click with a pearl, you get to cancel the event, but that's just not how it went. That is annoying. What the real question is, why don't I actually invoke the event, or why don't I pass the event in here? That's the weird thing. I don't know why I did that. Yeah, that's dumb. Why do you have the weather on your taskbar? I don't know. You should do a tutorial on how to code. I am not qualified. Okay. Player is equal to event dot get entity dot get shooter dot, or maybe there's a way to just do this. Would that work? I don't know. Player dot get, actually, if player dot get inventory dot get item in main hand, instance of player. Oh, that's right. I forgot about instance of. If event dot get entity dot get shooter instance of player, and then if it's not instance of player, there we go. Okay, that now we're doing it. So we get this utilities dot is Uber that. Please make it so it takes gold from inventory instead of damage. That would be weird. I don't know if I'd want to do that. There's an ender pearl cooldown in vanilla, so there might be some lines of code. What are you coding on? What am I coding on? This is IntelliJ. All right, anyways. If the item is Uber, I thought I made an is Uber specifically for testing which item. Oh wait, yeah, I did. Hold on, we don't need this. If Uber items dot get item infin pearl dot is similar, right? Or compare. If compare player dot get inventory dot get item in main hand. There we go. So this is testing if the item in the main hand is an infinipearl. Event dot set canceled true. There we go. So let's test if that worked. So that was a lot of complicated code right there. So I guess we don't need this then. Return false. Return false. Let's build. So if this worked out correctly, we should be able to chuck the pearl. And now it's an ender eye. Look at that. So if we were to do this, that did not work. Don't forget the, oh, I didn't register the event. That makes a lot of sense. Whoops. So we got to register the event in here somewhere. Register events. There we go. Now let's see if I remember how to register an event. I don't think I remember. Bucket.register. Nope. Event. Nope. Register. We're gonna have to check my other plugin. I don't remember how to do that. File, open recent Uber items. Uber items. How do I do that? That's commands. Ah, this. That's what we need. Close project. Open recent. That. Get server.get plugin manager.register events. New. Player throw. What do you want? Implements listener is what we need. There we go. That should work. Hopefully. Yes. Aiden, thank you for the 2. Did you read my Discord DMs or are you bad? I have been busy these past few days, and I also kind of disconnected from socials for a little while. You should make an SMP with all these custom items. That would be super cool. SMPs are cringe, bro. I'm sorry. What's the point? A bunch of people are playing Minecraft together. It's not like we haven't seen that 100 times before. I don't know. Anyway, this should cancel it. It didn't cancel it. Oh, that's because it's not an ender pearl anymore. It's an eye of ender. Hold on. We got to fix that. Entity type dot ender eye, right? Uh-oh. Is ender signal an ender eye? Is this one of those weird coding things where it's like called something different? Oh, Dead Man King, thank you for joining. All right, let's try that again. Reload. And no. Crap. The game's being difficult. Maybe it's because we have to restart the server. That might have something to do with it. Hold on. Let's restart the server. Because it's registering an event, so maybe it needs to load organically. Yeah, Ender Eye of Ender, that's not an option for entity type for some reason. Maybe just for simplicity's sake, we're gonna have to make it a Pearl. Yeah, we're just gonna make it a Pearl. Sorry. Just for simplicity's sake. I know you can't see this. Hold on. Let's register that item again. Where is it? Ender Pearl. We just need to make it simple. Ender Eye is not. It is Ender Signal. Then why didn't it work? Bruh. It canceled the event. Infinite Pearl for some reason. Oh, it's because. Hold on. Plugman, reload, Uber items add-on. There we go. Bruh. Bruh. Event.set canceled true. Maybe I spelled Infinite Pearl wrong. Is it Infini with an I or with an A? Oh! That's what happened. I did a dash instead of an underscore. I did a dash instead of an underscore. That's why that happened. Now the question is, do I have to restart the server again or are we fine? Ooh, that's weird. There's 2 Infinite Pearls now. Yeah, let's just restart server again. I was trying to get the wrong item. It didn't exist because I used the other kind of dash. There we go. I'm getting some concerning text messages. There we go. Let's try it again. Okay, so now it should work. Yep. There we go. That worked. We did it. Ah! We did it, chat. All right, good. So I guess technically we could actually set it to an Eye of Ender because apparently that was right. So let's do Ender Eye again. And then we can go into player throw. So we did it. It's Ender Signal for some reason. And then we Plugman, reload, Uber items add-on. Did I build it? I did. Oh. and then I do this, and then I do this. It didn't work. Crap. You know, it's never easy, man. You know, we found something that worked. You know, this is why coding in Minecraft is cringe sometimes, because things just aren't consistent. And I changed nothing other than the fact that instead of a pearl, it was an eye of ender. We're just going back to pearl because that worked. Yes. Okay, so we're just gonna there we go. Infinite pearl is a pearl. I'm sorry, it's not gonna be an eye of ender, whatever. So now I'm gonna go the lazy route here, and we're gonna close project, and we're going to open the regular Uber items. Then we're gonna go to items, shooty box. I have one of these for pearls, and we're just gonna copy it. So there we go. There we go. We're just gonna do that. Close, open, recent. Hey, we're just saving time. This is how programming goes, right? It's a whole lot of copy paste. So there we go. So if this is where we need to operate, is right in here. So event.set canceled true. Enderpearl pearl is equal to player.launch projectile. Enderpearl.class. Set velocity to probably not 3.0. Let's set it to whatever the default is, probably 1.0. And instead of bowfire, maybe is there, it's probably just bowfire actually. Or is there an egg one? Bowfire. Aiden, thank you for the 5. Even though we've kind of parted ways, that's not true. DMs are open. I just don't answer too often because I'm busy. I still have my old fondest, I can't freaking speak, memories online with you and your streams. I hope you don't change because you're good. You're a good bean. I don't know why I'm a bean. Hey, you know, whatever happens, man, you know, DMs are open. You gotta talk things out. You know, I can't promise I'll be around 24/7, but it's not like I'm gonna disappear or anything. Man's just going to college, if you're curious. Anyways, let us try this now. So if we were to do this, we've already made it so the pearl doesn't actually go anywhere. But if I do, oh, what the hell? That's not right. Oh, wait a minute. I just made an infinite loop. Well, it's not an infinite loop. I just realized the fact that I'm throwing a pearl would invoke this again. So that's a problem. Unless there's a special property I can give the pearl. Because the problem here is, as soon as I throw the pearl, I invoke another launch projectile class. Does that cause any errors? Oh, it does, because infinite recursion, right? Oh boy. Yeah, we have an infinite recursion here, chat. That's a problem. So you know what I could do? I could temporarily set the item to disappear from your inventory and then come back after a second. Right? Yeah, you know what? Yeah. It'd be nice if I can make it so it disappears from your inventory and lands as soon as you land. Or maybe just comes back after like a second or something. Yeah, you know what? All right. So here's what we're doing. Item stack. Pearl. Nope. P. Nope. Item. Is equal to player.get inventory.get item in main hand.copy or clone. And then we add this. So item we have now saved. So then what we can do is we can do a we could do code later, which is another thing I don't remember the specifics of. So let me quickly copy that from a different project. So open, oh no, open the recent Uber items. Oh wait, don't I have, hold on, I might be dumb here. I might have already implemented something like that. Why are there zombies? Why do I hear a million zombies? Is there a cave under there? Probably. Okay. Now, if I were to do utilities dot later, no. I delay action. No, I did not do that. Okay, so we're gonna have to go looking around in my other projects to find the code to execute things later. So let's go back into Uber items. I have this somewhere. Oh, I know where I do this. I do this with the boomstick. It's in here somewhere. Left click. Oh no, it's on entity hit. Here you are. Hello. Schedule a task. Yes, there we go. Oh, that is a thing. It was called schedule task. My bad. My bad. Open recent. Oh, the Discord is getting wrecked at the moment. And they got muted. Very good. So what we can do here is, instead of breaking the game, we can do bucket dot or not bucket, utilities dot schedule a task, new runnable, and then something like this, right? And then I do this. I don't remember the formatting. Crap. I should have just copy pasted. I'm reluctant to actually use my coder instincts of copy pasting everything because it causes errors a lot of the time. So I try to learn it, but I just forget. So yeah, we're just gonna copy paste it. Sorry. Boop. There we go. So then we can just get rid of this. Yes. Good. So then we can set player.getInventory.set item in main hand item. And then what we could do is player.getInventory.set item in main hand to item stack dot new item stack material dot error. Okay, so what that should have done was set the material of the pearl to air, and then like instead of this, let's do like 5 ticks later, put the pearl back in your inventory. That should do it. UHH, thank you for the HK25. I want to be a programmer when I grow up, and you are my inspiration. This is so cool. Keep it up. Oh, thank you. Okay. Plugman reload. Now let's see if this worked. So if I were to chuck this. Hey, there we go, chat. Look at that. Nice. What happens if I... Ooh, okay, so it hurts me still, which is a little bit of a problem. I wish there was a way to tag the pearl in some way. Replace the pearl with a fire charge for the delay time. Ooh, that's even better, actually. You've got a point, honestly. I don't know. Maybe not. I kind of want to make it so that the pearl stays gone until... I don't know how to do that. To make it stay gone until you land. Heal, because that was pain. Okay, you know what? I'm curious. There's a lot of zombie noises down there. Let's get fireball. Boop. Ah, I see. No wonder there was a million zombies because of spawner. There we go. What happens if you throw it, then put something in the slot? Yeah, that's the problem. When you start messing with the items in the slots like that, then it like... Then the problem is that it's gonna start like providing anti-dupes. Like it'll void items. There's got to be a better way to do it though. Maybe I can add a tag to the pearl somehow, and then just test for that tag in the entity, so that it doesn't register twice, and you know, do that stupid recursive thing. So let's see, where is entity? I don't know. All right, event.get entity dot. Is there a way to add some tag to it? Add custom name. Add fire ticks. Persistent data container. Does that work with entities though? I've done it with items, but I haven't done... I mean, the easiest way to do it would just be to set the custom name to something else. Player.launch projectile doesn't give a name. Yeah, so maybe let's set a custom name then. Name. Set custom name infinite pearl, I guess. So then what we could do is, if not, actually, if event.getEntity.get custom get custom name dot equals, and then we do infin pearl, then return, because you don't want to cancel an infin pearl. Yeah. Ooh, there's a null. If event.getEntity dot has custom name, nope, get custom name does not equal null, and that, there we go. So then instead of all of this garbage, we just do this then. Harson, thank you for the 279. Hey 30, how's your day? It's all right. All right, let's reload. No, that did not fix it. You had a spelling mistake in the string. Of course I did. Infina pearl versus what? Infini pearl. Ah! Of course spelling mistakes are also a big source of bugs in code. All right, reload again. Ha! Nope. Persistent data container works with entities. Yeah, that didn't... The custom name did not work. Why? Event.getEntity dot get custom name equals infinipearl. Yeah, what the hell? This should work, but it doesn't, because of course it doesn't. Thank you, Spigot. Okay. I mean, it's the same string. I thought you said this was easy. Yeah, but then it turned out that it's ender pearls. You know what? Yeah, I don't... Freddy the Fox Floof, thank you for the 1. No, it doesn't have to be... This and this don't have to be different. It's a custom name. Okay, so persistent data containers is what we need. Oh, God. That system is annoying to do. I don't even remember how to do it, if I'm gonna be honest. Yeah, this is just pain. Get entity. What else can we do? Get shooter does bounce, set shooter. Imagine I just set the shooter to null. That would just break everything. Oh. Let's see. Add passenger. I could set a passenger and just have it be in like a, I don't know. You made your current name different. This still doesn't work. You throw a new one every time still. What? Oh, wait a minute. You're right. I had to think about that. Hold on. Chat's right. Event.getEntity. No. We need to do this. I was setting the Uber item to have that name. Pearl.setCustom. Aha! There it is. Thank you, chat. Chat, you are big brain. You are big brain. We are big brain together. All right, there we go. That should do it. And it didn't. What? How? Oh no. Oh no. No. It still didn't fix it. Wait, did I just not build? That's something that also happens. I set a change and I don't build it. Nope, didn't work. Well, we tried. Okay. Unless event.getEntity.getCustom name. No. You still check for the item name before the Uber item check. What? That shouldn't matter. You are throwing unnamed entity. Eh? You know, I think the problem comes from this. Is there a way to get the projectile in item form? That would make a lot more sense than all this garbage I'm trying to do. Event.getEntity.toItem, right? I mean, item, nope. Is there a way to get the item stack of an entity? Would that work? If that works, we can actually get rid of the whole custom name thing. Let's see if the game... Let's see if Spigot's smart. Oh. Something happened. It removed the item. That didn't work. It just removed the item. Oh, wait a minute. That's also dumb. I shouldn't have done that either. Yeah, no, that doesn't make any sense either. Oh boy. Yeah, this is getting annoying. So we can't set a custom name. Why is this so complicated all of a sudden? I think the problem is the fact that it's an Ender Pearl. Why didn't it just work when it was an Ender Eye? That's my question. Ender Eye, and then we set over here to Ender, or Ender Signal, and then it would chuck a pearl. Is on player throw a different event entirely for the other thing? That'd be annoying. All right, so let's get rid of the custom name thing because that obviously didn't work. So goodbye. Oh wait, Got rid of the wrong line of code. There we go. Maybe if I build and then restart the server. How long have you known coding? Since I was like 11, but I haven't really been doing it that frequently. Here, hold on. I have to go to the bathroom. I'll be back. Okay, we are back. All right, let's give it another try. I don't think we actually need to do that yet because the server's fresh. So we turn this, and then we do this, and then we do this. Boop and boop. Why does it throw? No, we're already struggling. We are already struggling. Yeah, I don't know. I'm thinking about it, and I honestly have no idea. Make an event for right click. It don't work like that though. Copy it off the internet. No, this is a very specific problem. Maybe if we... Oh, we can't redo anymore. Unless... Okay. Does the custom name thing even work? You know what? Let's do this then. Bucket.getLogger.info Perl.get custom name. So let's see if that even works. And instead of Perl.name, let's do this. And instead of Perl, it would be event.getEntity. I want to see if that even works, because if it doesn't, like, if the custom name actually works, then we at least are getting somewhere. But the thing is, now I gotta set it back to a friggin' Perl, because for some reason Ender eyes don't work. Ender Perl. Isn't coding fun? Plug man reload that. Oh. Okay. So obviously it error from infinite recursion, but does it show Jesus the amount of errors? Oh, Stack Overflow. Yeah, I know. See, it says null still. Yeah, so set custom name doesn't work. Oh, I love programming for Spigot. Things just aren't implemented properly, and it's so good. All right, so we can't set custom name. That doesn't work. This is... Yeah, no, it doesn't work like that. First Perl equals enderpearl.class. What? That's what we're doing here. Then Perl.set custom name. Then... Oh, I see what you mean. So if I were to do this... new projectile. And then we would do ender pearl.class. So you're telling me if I launch it, it doesn't care about the what do you want? Projectile is abstract. I see what you're going for. Pearl. That doesn't work. Unless I do... That wouldn't make sense. Launched. No. I see what you're going for, but I don't think that works. Projectile is an interface, not class. But you can't do... Oh, you can do that. Yeah, that doesn't work, though. That does not... No. Ender pearl is equal to new ender pearl? Maybe that'll work. No! Stop! That wouldn't work. Ender pearl is equal to event.get entity.clone maybe, or copy. No. Chat, we're trying to do something that's not possible right now. Here, let's just not. Here, hold on. We gotta go back. I'm pretty sure you should be able to still, you know, modify things about it when it's after it's been launched. That's what I did with the Perl in the original code there. So setting custom name don't work. So we're gonna have to try something else. We might have to do persistent data containers. I can't see any other way, and it's really annoying because I don't remember how to do that. Open Uber items, go to utilities. Where's utilities? You. I know I have a persistent oh, Thomas P, thank you for the 5. I gotta go, but leaving a super chat for Java coding pog. Change the shooter of the Perl after it's already been launched with a bucket runnable. What? That wouldn't really... No, that wouldn't work. Because if you change the owner of the Perl, it's not going to know who to teleport when it lands. Okay, so here's what we gotta do. We need to do... enforce permissions, get block looking at... schedule task, string to lore. No, it's somewhere over here. Store string in item. So item dot get persistent data container dot set. Okay, that doesn't seem too terrible. New stored string, or it could be a stored int in this case. Okay, we're gonna try it. Oh, namespace key. Oh, Jesus. I'm just copying this whole thing. Oh, no. Oh, no. Close project. Persistent data containers are cool and all, but it's very complicated. All right. Ender pearl is equal to this launch projectile, and then we're gonna do this. We're gonna try setting this garbage. So we don't need this, and then key is gonna be infinite pearl, and then we're gonna get rid of this, and then we do pearl dot. There we go. Instead of stored string, we'll do stored int. Oh. 1. So by default, it's 0. So then all I gotta do theoretically is I go here. Oh, sorry, the text is too small. I go down here. So maybe I would just do this actually. I go like this and then like that. And then what I do is I go like this. I set that to that. If event.getEntity.get persistent data container.get no, that won't work. I don't have the get part of it done. Expected 2 arguments but found 1. Oh, I used an, there we go, infinite perl. Persistent data type. Oh, so I need to do stored int. What? New stored int. Oh. Hey, there we go. Okay, now we just got to test for null. That should do it, actually. So if it's equal to 0, or if it's equal to 1, return. The Rotten Lemon, thank you for the 5. Okay, I'm actually broke now. Oh, thank you, man. Okay, so we're getting very, very close. It may produce null. So what we need to do, if event.getEntity.has, no, get custom, no, you does not equal null. No. How do I test for null? Oh, it's always true. Or maybe I just do this. So instead, okay, so if I do, no, that doesn't work. Don't construct a new projectile, use the previous one, and don't cancel the event. Yeah, but I gotta cancel the event so that, yeah, I have to cancel the event because otherwise it's gonna consume the item. I don't want that. Why can't I just test if that's not null? False? No. Bruh. That's annoying. How do I avoid null in the other project? Uber items. Oh, it still always may produce. You know what? We're going into dangerous territory. We're not checking for null. Get ready because we might get some null reference exceptions. My favorite kind of error. All right. Fine. If you want to be that way, game, we're just going to do it. We're just going to try it as is. And we're going to ignore your warnings. And we're just going to go forward with it anyways. Heal. All right. Boom. And it didn't even work. Ah! Mad. I am mad. Maybe if it's equal to 0, return. I'm getting frustrated. It doesn't work. Great. This is frustrating. Yeah, I don't know why. Oh, Pig sent me the solution on Discord. Oh god. Oh god, this is too complicated. I don't know what I'm doing. I don't know what I'm doing anymore. And it still doesn't. Oh jeez. Minecraft coding sucks. New persistent data type. Integer. Cannot resolve for simple integer. What? You're doing it all wrong because I don't understand persistent data controllers. Oh, we're just this is why these streams don't turn into videos. Oh, it's all a freaking mess. The worst part of coding is the I don't know what I'm doing phase where you copy and paste code off Stack Overflow without knowing what it does. That's what Pig's doing right now. God. Yeah, no, I'm abandoning the concept of this. No, persistent data containers can go frick themselves. We're not doing it. We're not doing that. We're not doing custom names. We're trying something else. Okay. So instead... Oh, wait a minute. I was so close. Oh my god. But here's the problem though, Pig. It still has the same problem. Hold on. It's gonna be the same problem. It's not gonna understand what I'm trying to do. So the idea is, if I chuck a pearl, I want to store the number 1 in the infinipearl key, so that once this gets called again from throwing a pearl, it'll be like, wait, this is one of the ones that was sent custom, don't screw with it. That's what I want, and that's what I tried last time. It stored int, but maybe. No, does not work. Also use, oh, wrong button. Use default instead of get. What? Oh, get or default. What the hell? I don't know how to. Maybe if I were to do that. No. Oh, this coding is terrible. What does that even mean? Get or default 0. No. Oh my god. Get or default 0 is probably not going to work either. Does it cause errors when I do that? Oh, it does, because it's null. I don't even understand this line of code. What is that? It doesn't... I think he spelled it wrong. Persist. What? Oh. The get or default this. Oh, okay. Get or default that. Nope. You. I'm assuming it... Yeah. Okay, well, there's no error, which is nice, I guess, but it's still probably not going to work. Well, the thing is, there was a null, so I'm concerned it's not even setting the key in the first place. Who would have thought it would have been this complicated? Just to make it so a pearl doesn't friggin' disappear when you throw it. That's a complicated problem, apparently. Nope, and it's still the same problem. I'm gonna freaking die. Okay. Well, that was dumb. Persistent data controllers are annoying. What did it do now? Null. Why is there a null? Line 34. Oh, because it kept on looping. Why did it keep on looping? This makes Skyblock look simple. Well, that's the problem, is that with coding, you find such a teeny little detail and it ruins everything. And that's what's happening right now. And then that breaks it. Very good. It's almost like it's not storing an integer in there. Yeah, it ain't working. The idea behind this whole thing is that I right click with the Uber item. It'll get the player. It'll make sure that you're holding the Uber item. It'll spawn a pearl, throw the pearl, set this data thing to 1, and then set the velocity and the noise. And once that's done, unfortunately, it doesn't end there, because I just launched a projectile which calls this class again, and to prevent an endless loop of recursion, that's why this is here. So I'll test, hey, is this a pearl that I threw, or is it a pearl that the game threw? If it's one that the game threw, then don't let it through. That's the problem. That's the problem. We have infinite recursion because a pearl is throwing a pearl. That is the problem. Dino Void, thank you for joining. Yeah, that's just annoying. Maybe the... What do you mean there's no reason to spawn a new one, Pig? No. It's an infinite pearl. If I chuck it, it goes away. Maybe it's literally as simple as just, instead of canceling the event, just put it back in the event. You know what? We're doing a whole new perspective on this. You know what? We're going to go the simple route and we'll see if it works. Get rid of that. And then get rid of this. Instead of event.setCanceled true, we're going to do this. We're going to do... Get rid of that. Instead of event.setCanceled true, we are going to not do this either. Actually, yeah, we're just gonna get rid of this. Utilities dot schedule task run. And then trying to remember how this works. Hold on. I go on the other one. Open recent. Uber items. Can you hear the suffering in my voice? Probably. So then we go to boomstick. Where is this? I'm just copying this again. And one tick later, we're gonna put it back in the inventory. How about that? You. This. So one tick. Event.getEntity.getShooter.set, or no, get inventory dot set item in main hand. And then we're gonna set it to and here's the other problem. It consumed the pearl already, so how am I supposed to The Dragon Warrior, thank you for the 5. Hey, ThirtyVirus. I just want to say thank you for getting me interested in coding. It has now become my job. Really? The problem now is I can't get the pearl because the event was freaking... I doubt this would work, but maybe it would. I just have to do this. We're gonna do player is equal to this. And then player dot get inventory dot set item in main hand, player dot get inventory dot to get the item in main hand. That wouldn't work. No, it's all falling apart. It's all falling apart. Recursion when recursion should not be happening is terrible. Do item stack through is equal to event.get item. That's not a function. Event.get item doesn't exist. Wait, I have an idea. This might fix everything. Hold on. Hold on. If I go back in here, right click air action. What if I just did this? Player dot set get inventory dot get item in main hand dot set set item in main hand, set item in main hand item. What will that do? What would that do if I just didn't even bother with any of this garbage and just set that might work. That would be really dumb if it does, but it might. I swear if this works. No, does not work. Crap. It has been an hour and 20 minutes and I haven't even gotten a single freaking item done. I'm sad. It doesn't work. Oh, but that's because it's not the right event. Oh. Bruh. I don't know. I'm gonna freaking lose it. I was supposed to make like 10 items today and I didn't even make one because coding. Big wants to know what the item's even for. It's an infinite ender pearl. That's all it is. It's like a creative mode ender pearl. You chuck it and it doesn't go away, but it still throws a projectile. That's all it is. But it's so much more difficult than that because you can't spawn a new pearl, because if you do that, it invokes the method and it's recursive. Ah! I'm freaking pissed. Yeah, God. It don't work. I can't make it spawn a new one in inventory after throwing it because there's no way to... Persistent data controllers don't work, custom names don't work. There's no way to distinguish whether the thrown pearl is custom or not. Not that I've found, which is... Oh, God. Why is there not an entity to item thing? You know what? Maybe there is. You know, maybe I'm just being dumb here. Here's an idea. Item stack I is equal to item stack entity dot event dot get entity. Does that work? Does that work? Bucket dot get logger dot info. This you dot compare I. Does that do anything? Why is it not working? Can it resolve method info boolean? There. Let's see if that works. Oh, you didn't see any of that. Nice. Okay. Oh, would you look at that? Item stack are an unnamed module of loader app. In other words, you can't cast the entity to an item because that would be too easy. Just move it to a different item, but it's an infinite ender pearl. If I set it to an item that's not an ender pearl, then what the hell's the point? It would be... You were using custom name wrong? No, I wasn't. It's just set custom name and then is custom name equal to this. It would be so easy if I set the item not to... Well, no. It's not that easy though. Because even if the item itself wasn't a pearl, I would still be chucking a custom pearl and then doing this code again. Well, actually, no, that's not true. It would be easier if it wasn't a pearl. Wow. Player interact event dot right click air. Get item from interact using get item, then add one to inventory. Add one to inventory. Now that's a concept I haven't thought of, actually. Okay, you know what? That might work. But then it's not going to put it in the same spot, though. Okay, right-click air action. Oh, God. This process is so annoying. Okay. I'm fatigued at this point. Player dot to get inventory dot set item in main hand, and then we're gonna just set the item to new. Actually, is that... I'm trying to remember. Uber items dot get item string key is going to be infini pearl dot make item 1. Maybe it's that simple. Maybe I don't have to do any of this garbage. I chuck it and then it sets the item in your hand to be that thing. Maybe that's all it is. Maybe just bypass all the other garbage. There we go. Reload. Heal. Creative mode. Grab pearl. No. Because of course not. That's the problem. That event's not getting called. Like, item interact event's not getting called. Maybe I would do it. You have to do it 1 or 2 ticks later. Oh, because this game is so fun that way. I am losing my patience. Well, actually, let's test if the event's even getting thrown in the first place. Bucket.getlogger.info. Hi. Does it even run that event? Does it even do that? Does it even do the thing? It does. Okay, so yeah, maybe I just gotta do a 1 tick delayed. God, there are so many rules with coding in Minecraft that sucks, and this is one of those examples where you have to execute a line of code 1 tick late, otherwise it doesn't know what to do because we get dumb. Okay, so scheduled for 1 tick later. Let's see if that works. What? That kind of worked. Hold on. That kind of worked. Did I just spell it wrong? It's an A. No way, dude. No way. No way it's that freaking simple. Oh my god, dude. I literally don't even need player throw. Delete. No freaking way, bro. Was it that simple this whole time? I think it was. No way. My brain just don't work. I think that's what we've learned today. Heal. No way. There it is. Hello. Finally. Oh my god. It works. But the problem now is you take damage and I don't know how to. Oh my god. Finally. It was that simple. You just, oh, I hate myself. I hate myself. No. Oh my god. I hate everything. I hate everything. Pig's telling me instead of setting the item in main hand, I should probably just add it to inventory, which makes sense. Because if you swap too quickly, then you're going to lose the pearl, and you don't want to do that. Or you're not going to lose the pearl, you'll lose whatever item the pearl overwrites. Yeah, and it does the same thing. So if I were to, like... Yeah, there's no way to avoid the good. Alright, there we go. Done. Now, how do we not get damage from the pearl? That's something Skyblock did, so it's possible, obviously. Oh god, that was terrible. That process was so bad. If from the start I just did this, none of that, the past hour and a half wouldn't have had to happen. Oh god. Oh. Terrible. The problem is, how do I how do I cancel damage for these specifically? I would have to test if the projectile is an infinite pearl, and I don't think that's possible. Check if the item in hand is an infinite pearl, then set event to canceled. I could see that being abused somewhat if you just chuck a regular pearl. But at the same time, who would just chuck a regular ender pearl if you have infinite pearl in your inventory? Like, what would the point be? Yeah, you know what? That works. All right, so we're gonna make a new event. Projectile hit. Whatever, man. Oh, God. Pig's telling me the proper way to do it, which I tend to agree with, would just be to have a list of pearls. All right, fine. In the class for Infinite Pearl, we're gonna do this. We're gonna have a public static. Oh God, he's using static. What should I do? A map or a list? Probably just a list. List entity. Thrown infinite pearls is equal to new array list entity. And then what we do is we add oh crap, that means we're gonna need the other event again. Oh God. Oh no. Wait, event.set damage 0 in projectile launch event? Wait. Is that wait. Oh, infinite pearls. Wait. We need that other class back. I wish I can undelete the class, but I can't. Well, I mean, I can actually if I just, you know what? Hold on. Idea. I copy this and then just undo everything. Undo until I get my class back. Oh, hold on. That one worked. Oh God, everything's falling apart. Nope. No, I regret everything. Go back. There we go. Redo typing. Control Shift Z. My capacity for this is just gone. There is no set damage thing. Okay, so we're just gonna have to redo it again. All right, events. Projectile hit and projectile launch. God, this is just the worst. Implements. Listener. At event handler. Use player teleport event and use .set no damage ticks to the player. Cancel the event and teleport the player to that location. I'm getting a lot of advice from chat, and I think I'm gonna try my first instinct first. First instinct first. Oh, Pog, I got rid of the method or the list I wanted. Public static list entity thrown infinite pearls is equal to new array list entity don't need the entity part. So what we need to do is we go to projectile launch, private void on projectile launch, projectile launch event dot get entity dot if event dot get entity dot get shooter dot get no, we had to redo all this. No, Just do a list of UUIDs to get the entity UUID. Oh my god. Fine. No, we're doing this. We're making it work first, and then we're gonna make it efficient later. Instance of player. Item stack item is equal to, well, actually, player is equal to player event.get entity.get shooter. Yes, is equal to player.get inventory.get item in main hand. Import class if Uber if Uber items dot get item infinipearl dot compare item. There we go. Event.get entity, and then we do this. We do infin underscore pearl dot, that's not underscore, import class infinipearl dot thrown infinipearls dot add entity this, and then yeah, there you go. That's done. So now what we do, projectile hit. So at event handler, and then if shut up. This is one of my least favorite things about coding in freaking Minecraft is you. Shut. Go away. Anyways, if infin underscore pearl dot thrown inner pearls dot dot, why you not? Oh, it's because it's not. I did this stupid. All right, hold on. I didn't make an actual handler. There we go. Private void on projectile hit. There we go. I can't type. Contains projectile hit event dot get entity, then infinipearl dot thrown remove event dot get entity, and event dot set ender pearl, no, teleport event e is equal to teleport event no. Now how do I typecast this so it does no damage? Oh, should I just, okay, you know what, instead of projectile, fine, player teleport event. Yeah, but chat, how do I... So how do I test if the pearl is in the list? get cause is equal to cause teleport. So problem, how do I test if the list entity may not contain objects of... Oh. I'm not even reading the code I'm writing anymore because I'm so frustrated. If that, there you go. Then we have to somehow test if... Where do I put... How do I get the item? Don't use teleport event. Use entity damaged by entity event. Entity damaged by entity event. Oh boy. If event dot get damager. Oh, there we go. Actually, hold on. This is easier. We just do this. That. Yes. There we go. This will do it. Thank you, pig. If yes, remove this from the list, and then event.set damage 0. That should do it. Now I just gotta actually import these two classes right here, or register them. Register events. Get server get instance. No. Add no. Register no. Event. No, I don't remember how to do it. Very good, very good. Open project, Uber items. Where's register events U? Get server dot get plugin manager dot blah, 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 blah. Open U. Let me go here. There we go. So then we do projectile hit. Let me do that again. I guess projectile launch isn't, or projectile hit's not a really accurate name for the class, but whatever. Done. All right, let's see if it works. Let's see what happens. Ha! So it still does the damage tick, but the damage is set to 0. So then finally, I could just set the event canceled, right? Would that break something? So instead of event.set damage, it would just be set canceled true. Are we finally done? I think we did it. We did it. It is done. Yes. That was a struggle and a half. Oh, thank God we're done. It's a thing. Infinite undamaging pearls. It's such a dumb item. This was supposed to be an example. This wasn't supposed to be an 1.5 hour long project. Oh no. That took so long. And it resulted in like only 10 lines of code. Good. That was terrible. Time for item 2. I don't freaking know if I have the stamina, dude. Coding on stream and coding in general with Minecraft is the worst because it's like you have to work around someone else's code. It's not as simple as, oh, just tell the entity to be a certain thing. No, Spigot don't allow that. We tried the simple solution of setting the... Oh, God, it's so annoying. I don't even consider it being bad at coding. It's just not knowing Spigot, I guess, is the... What? Oh, that's not good. Oh, we found a bug? Pog? When you right-click on blocks, it just kills it. Very good. Here, hold on. Let's fix that real quick. Let's fix that real quick. I X'd out of the class because smart. All right. What happened? What happened? I think I just need to event.set canceled. On right-clicking blocks. And shift right-clicking blocks as well. And then what we could do is return that should fix it. There we go. Fixed. Now you can make it an ender eye. Yeah, no. Actually, wait, maybe I could without any consequences. Hold on, let's see. Because now I'm not testing if it's a pearl anymore. Ender eye. No, does not work because I forgot. We're not doing a custom. I forgot. We are not custom throwing pearls. We are using vanilla pearl throwing, which is. Yes, no, we're not doing that. Nope, it's staying a pearl. It is staying a pearl. When will be the next coding stream? Well, considering how much pain this one brought, I don't know. Oh god, coding in Spigot is just a pain and a half sometimes. It really is. Oh jeez. This was a disaster. I was supposed to code 10 items today. And we did 1. And it's not even that complicated. Oh jeez, dude. I wanted to start with pearls because I thought it'd be simpler than making a custom potion effect with a gapple for like 5 minutes, but obviously that would have. What? Excuse me? And it's still buggy. We duped it. What the hell is happening? Oh my. Oh no. Oh, why? No. Oh no. Freaking dupes. I don't know how that works. How does that work? Oh, I see. If you chuck it while another pearl is still in the air, for some reason it... Oh, it's because it's adding... I see. I see. The problem is, right? There's a dupe either way. So the suggestion before from Pig was just to add one of these to the inventory instead of setting the item in your hand. But the problem is when you add to the inventory, you open up the possibility of a dupe. It's either a dupe or it's a way to void your items. Pick your poison. So instead of add item, if I were to do set item in main hand, that would fix the dupe, but then would it make it... Maybe it's, since it's only a 1 tick delayed thing, maybe it's not possible to swap the item into your slot in the hotbar. So if I were to like... Yeah, I think this... Yeah, the 1 tick delayed... You can't void it. Yeah, so Pig's suggestion turned out to not work, but I'm not blaming him for it because coding's stupid, especially in Spigot. Yep. There we go. Yeah. Get the slot that item was in. Unfortunately, Minecraft don't make it that easy because the whole idea of like getting the slot happens in an event handler, and we've learned that the way I did it was not that way. It was different. No, this is fine. This is more than fine. I mean, it only activates when it's in your main hand anyways. If I do this... Oh, wait a minute. Oh, that's kind of weird, actually. Okay, so I can see a problem. If I were to do this. Yeah. Oh, jeez, man. So it isn't that simple. Maybe I can make it so the item only works when it's in your main hand. Yeah, coding spigot stuff is just... This is why I want to make my own game engine where I don't have to deal with all the malarkey of just dealing with other people's code. Because that's what causes all these problems. It's gonna take another hour for you to fix that. The best solution I don't freaking know, man. The only thing I could think of is like... Oh, jeez, man. Epic dupe. No wonder the admins are spending like more than half of their time fixing dupes because they're so easy in Minecraft. Just put it on the... Just forget about the dupe. Is there a way to make it only work in the main hand and not the offhand? I don't think I coded that. I did not code that. Jeez, man. Just cancel the event and make a player yeet the pearl with player.launch projectile. That's what I did at first, and it caused all sorts of problems. All right, chat. I know this is going to be disappointing, but I think I'm just going to end stream. This process is terrible. It did not go according to plan. Oh, God. Yeah, this is definitely not becoming a video. I'm going to try coding like 5 other kinds of ender pearl. Did I even make a crafting recipe for this? I think I did. I just don't remember. What was this? Yeah, I think we need to just call it quits for right now because I'm not. Also, there's some other stuff going on in real life that I'm not going to talk about until it's dealt with. So I've just been rip. It mostly happened. It was one item though. Oh God, it was such a failure. This is what happens when you code live on stream. It just, yeah, spigot full of spaghetti code. Unfortunately, it is. And it's not like I'm any better. But at the same time, it should be simpler. I don't know, man. It could have been 15 minutes of programming had I just gone with the approach that we went with at first. But whatever. All right, chat. I tried. I don't know. And Dino Void, thank you for becoming a member. I don't know, man. We'll figure something out. Hopefully my next stream about Uber items is going to have this fully implemented. All the different pearls, all the different gapples. We'll do another challenge video. But until then, I guess that's it. So, I hope you guys enjoyed. I'll see you guys later. Oh, God. Pain. This all would have been so much simpler if you could just set a custom name for a projectile. Then it would have been 15 minutes to code, but it doesn't work that way.